This video documents a critical industrial safety incident where a forklift was transporting a bulky metal rack that became unstable and collapsed toward a walkway. Unfortunately, workers resting near the entrance were directly in the fall zone and could not react in time. This serves as a vital reminder to strictly follow safety protocols. Employees must never congregate in active machinery zones or under elevated loads. Operators must ensure cargo is properly secured and within weight limits, while facilities should use physical barriers to separate pedestrians from heavy equipment. Maintaining constant situational awareness is essential, as a single moment of complacency can lead to severe consequences. Remember, safety is the top priority. This video captures a harrowing moment when a man enters an elevator without scanning his surroundings. Distracted by his smartphone, he fails to notice a severe mechanical malfunction. As he steps forward, the cabin moves abruptly while the doors are open, leading to a critical entrapment and life-altering injuries. This serves as a powerful wake-up call regarding the dangers of distracted walking. To stay safe, maintain 100% focus when entering or exiting an elevator. A single moment of distraction can have devastating consequences. Always verify that the cabin has come to a complete stop and the floor is level before moving. If you notice unusual vibrations or movement while doors are open, stay back and report it immediately. Personal safety is paramount. Do not let a moment of inattention turn a daily convenience into a hazard. This footage documents a critical industrial safety incident involving heavy-duty rollers where a worker inadvertently contacted a mechanical nip point. Due to high torque and rotational velocity, the individual was forcefully drawn into the machinery within seconds, leaving no time for an immediate emergency disconnect. This event highlights severe proximity violations and a lack of essential machine guarding, which deviates from standard safety protocols like NR12 or OSHA. Furthermore, the presence of loose attire and a lapse in situational awareness created a high-risk environment. This serves as a vital reminder that personnel must never approach unshielded moving parts. This video is a sobering reminder of the critical importance of workplace safety. While the production line was operational, a worker entered a restricted space inside the machinery without following lockout-tagout (LOTO) procedures. Consequently, the automated system initiated its next cycle, trapping the worker within heavy components. Distressed cries alerted co-workers who rushed to trigger emergency stops. This incident highlights that maintenance must only occur when machines are fully de-energized. Respecting red zones and safety guards is non-negotiable, as shortcuts to save time often lead to life-altering consequences. Occupational safety is a commitment to yourself and your family. No task is so urgent that it cannot be done safely. Always stay vigilant, respect all warning signs, and prioritize discipline over speed to ensure every worker returns home. In a marble workshop loading area, large granite slabs are being loaded onto a truck. Everything seems routine. The heavy slab stands upright as the team tries to position it. However, even if these slabs appear stable from the outside, their balance is extremely sensitive. Suddenly, the slab begins to slide. Within seconds, it tips over sideways with its full weight. The situation unfolds so fast there is almost no time to escape. These stone slabs can weigh several tons, and even the slightest imbalance can cause uncontrolled movement. That's why such operations must always be carried out with proper lifting equipment, and the potential fall zone must be completely cleared. In a passageway in Istanbul, a young worker is walking while focused on his phone. Everything seems normal. At the same time, a loading grate on the ground has been left open. Completely distracted by the phone, he fails to notice it, and in an instant, The ground disappears beneath him. The young worker falls directly to the lower floor. Luckily, he lands on boxes below and manages to get up without serious injury. Everything happens in seconds. This incident shows how quickly distraction can turn into a serious risk, even in the simplest moment. In a compactor area, a driver prepares to open the rear door of a truck. Everything seems routine. The moment he releases the latch, the heavy panel suddenly comes free, and instantly it swings outward with full force. The movement is so fast that reacting becomes almost impossible. In such doors, built-up pressure or load inside can create an uncontrolled force when opened. That's why these areas are always considered strike zones. Standing in front of this zone means placing yourself directly in harm's way. A worker is standing right next to a heavy machine that is still operating. Everything seems normal. However, the machine is still in motion, and suddenly his arm gets caught in a moving part. Because the system operates so quickly, his arm is pulled into the mechanism instantly. Everything happens within seconds. In such machines, the greatest risk is intervening while they are running. Any action performed without stopping the machine removes all control. That's why the system must be completely shut down, and no approach should be made without cutting the power. This footage captures the high-energy environment of a professional fabrication shop where skilled workers are engaged in the assembly of large-scale structural steel components. Within the expansive facility, massive beams are organized with precision in a complex, multi-layered framework. On the floor, a certified welder focuses intently on their craft as the welding arc illuminates the workspace, while an overhead crane maneuvers heavy sections with extreme care. Every team member moves with purpose, demonstrating seamless coordination to meet production goals. The scene highlights exceptional focus and synergy, showing that despite the demanding nature of the work, professionalism and safety protocols remain the priority. In a busy machine shop, security footage captured a critical safety incident where a worker's clothing became entangled in a high-speed industrial lathe, pulling him into the machinery. This event serves as a vital reminder that workplace safety is a life-saving requirement, not a suggestion. To prevent such accidents, strict dress code compliance is essential. Operators must never wear loose clothing, jewelry, or unrestrained long hair near rotating equipment. Constant situational awareness is required, as complacency or a split-second distraction can lead to life-altering consequences. Furthermore, comprehensive training on machine mechanics and emergency stop locations is non-negotiable. Always consult a supervisor if a malfunction occurs. By strictly following these safety regulations and maintaining vigilance, we protect ourselves and our colleagues. A recent industrial incident involving a tank truck operator highlights the severe risks of pressure vessel hazards and the necessity of fall protection. While inspecting a hatch assembly atop a pressurized tanker, a sudden and violent release of internal pressure occurred, blowing the cover open and causing the worker to fall 10 feet onto a concrete floor. This resulted in serious injuries and an ongoing investigation into potential mechanical failures or procedural deviations. To prevent such accidents, strict pressure management is vital. Vessels must be fully depressurized and verified via gauges before any inspection. Furthermore, companies must enforce rigorous maintenance for relief valves and ensure fall arrest systems are used at heights. Adhering to OSHA standards and ensuring a zero-energy state through comprehensive training and regular equipment testing are essential steps to maintaining a safe work environment and protecting lives.